All right, I've had quite a few requests for sound files on this Mammoth Tusk pot, so I'll give you a look at it kind of up close here. You can see the recessed top. I sunk that in there quite a ways to protect that dino bone surface as much as possible, and you can kind of see the natural profile. So this is all just natural polish, so there's no finish on this, just sanding it down, wet sand and polish it out. I'm going to run it with a one-piece canary wood. Kind of seem to be what this thing likes the best, but we'll give her a shot here. Try another spot on it. All right, there you go. If you guys got any questions on these, if you want to order one, just let me know. Thanks.